Well up guys, this is Phon-Er Gold and this is vlog something, and I don't know what, who cares, let's just do this. I just got a call from a girl. Her phone was smashed yesterday during Halloween, so this is going to be the Halloween vlog. So I guess we'll call this the Halloween vlog Halloween. There's no number to it, just a Halloween. It's a special event holiday vlogging. It's a special holiday vlog, so it's the Halloween vlog. And we are about to fix her phone. She just came right now. She's sitting right there. Let's see. We're gonna fix her phone right now, and she's waiting inside. I have to do the intro here. So her phone was smashed. She just got mad at something or somebody and smashed the phone really badly, and the phone is like obliterated. And right now you'll see how the phone looks like. It's the most epic phone I've ever seen in my life, and this is like the low-key legit truth. And just wait for a second and you'll see right now. Let's do this. Okay. You guys, so the phone is really bad. My that is your phone. That's your phone. Say hi.
Hi.
Aww.
This is horrible.
This is epic horrible. Insane. This is considered the insanity repair. Cool. This vlog, I'm calling it the Halloween vlog. Usually I have numbers. This one is called the Halloween vlog.
You said the blood too.
The what?
The blood on the phone.
Oh yeah, and the blood is a proof that someone got killed, but there's no telling. Like the sun goes low key too. Legit. Now I'm doing the boomerang effect.